Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0882, indicating a low-power input signal to the transmission control module TCM, is a critical diagnostic trouble code. The TCM plays an essential role in the operation of the vehicle's automatic transmission by receiving and processing input signals to determine shifting patterns. Typically located near the transmission or integrated within the vehicle's main control unit, the TCM ensures that the vehicle operates smoothly by managing gear shifts based on various inputs, such as speed, throttle position, and more. When this error code is identified, it suggests that the TCM is not receiving the requisite power to function effectively, which can lead to degraded transmission performance or failure. Diagnosing this issue correctly requires a systematic approach that includes verifying the DTC presence and assessing the electrical systems involved. The following slides outline a detailed troubleshooting guide aimed at diagnosing and rectifying the issue associated with this code. The DTC P0882 signifies that the transmission control module, TCM, is not receiving sufficient power input, which is crucial for its operational integrity. The TCM is responsible for controlling the automatic transmission's shifting process by processing data from various sensors. It is typically situated close to the transmission assembly in modern Honda Accord models, making it accessible for electrical diagnostics. The power input signal is essential because it enables the TCM to communicate with the vehicle's onboard computer systems smoothly. When the TCM fails to receive adequate power, it can lead to erratic transmission behavior or complete transmission failure. Understanding the role of the TCM and its location is pivotal during the troubleshooting process, as this lays the groundwork for identifying potential issues within the vehicle's electrical system. Several factors could contribute to the triggering of DTC P0882. One common cause is poor connections or loose terminals at the TCM, which may interrupt the power supply, leading to the low input signal. Another potential issue is a blown fuse, specifically fuse A39, which serves as a protective element within the circuit. If this fuse is non-functional, it can significantly hinder the power transmission necessary for the TCM's operation. Additionally, an open circuit in the IG1 TCU wire can disrupt the electrical flow, necessitating a detailed examination of the wiring between the TCM and the associated fuse or relay. Each of these causes must be meticulously checked and confirmed through diagnostic steps to ensure a comprehensive resolution of the error code P0882. Identifying the symptoms associated with DTC P0882 is critical as they can significantly impact vehicle performance. One of the primary symptoms is transmission shifting issues, which may manifest as hesitation or slipping between gears. Additionally, the overdrive OD light on the dashboard may illuminate, indicating that the vehicle is unable to shift into overdrive gear due to the power input issue affecting the TCM. Drivers may also notice poor acceleration response or a general sluggishness when attempting to accelerate, as the TCM struggles to efficiently manage the transmission settings. Recognizing these symptoms early can facilitate a more effective and timely repair process, ensuring that the vehicle resumes normal operation as swiftly as possible. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0882 involves verifying the problem through a series of actions. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode, ensuring that all electrical systems are powered. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing DTCs. This process allows for a fresh start to observe any new trouble codes that might appear after clearing the old ones. After clearing the DTC, turn the vehicle to off mode and then back to on mode to check for pending or confirmed DTCs once again with the HDS. If DTC P0882 reappears, it confirms that the failure is duplicated and necessitates further investigation according to the following troubleshooting steps. If the code does not reappear, the issue may have been intermittent, indicating that visual inspections of connections should be carried out. The second step focuses on checking the electrical components, particularly the fuses, which are critical for the electrical system's protection. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off mode to ensure safety while examining electrical components. Locate and inspect fuse number A39, which is linked to the TCM's power input circuit. Verifying the condition of the fuse is crucial, as a blown fuse indicates that an electrical short or failure has occurred, interrupting power to the TCM. If the fuse is operational, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the fuse is indeed blown, replace it with a new one and recheck whether the DTC reappears upon power restoration. If the new fuse blows again, further investigation is necessary to locate and repair a short to ground in the IG1 TCU wire. The third troubleshooting step involves checking the integrity of the wiring and voltage supply to the TCM. Start by safely disconnecting TCM connector A, which typically has a 23-pin configuration, to isolate the TCM from the circuit. With the vehicle turned to the on mode, it is imperative to measure the voltage between designated test points on the TCM connector. Test point 1 is usually located at TCM connector A, number 6, and test point 2 is connected to body ground. Ideally, there should be battery voltage present at test point 1. If battery voltage is confirmed, this indicates that the IG1 TCU wire is intact, leading to a suggestion of possible issues with the TCM itself. Consider substituting it with a known good unit for further testing. If no voltage is detected, this points to an open circuit in the IG1 TCU wire, requiring immediate repair between the TCM and the underhood fuse or relay box. After completing the necessary repairs associated with DTC P0882, it is essential to verify that the repairs have been successfully executed. Begin by rechecking the DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, ensuring that DTC P0882 does not reappear. This verification step is crucial, as it confirms whether the issue has been resolved or if further action is needed. Following a successful check, clear the codes once more to reset the vehicle's systems completely. Observing smooth operation of the vehicle's transmission during test drives is vital, as it indicates that the TCM is now receiving the correct power input signal. This final verification phase allows technicians to ensure that all related components are functioning as intended and that the vehicle is ready for safe, reliable driving. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in forestalling issues such as DTC P0882 in the future. Regularly inspecting electrical connections to the transmission control module, TCM, can help identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness that may develop over time. This proactive check reduces the risks associated with poor electrical contact, promoting consistent vehicle performance. During routine maintenance services, such as oil changes or general inspections, ensure that fuses, including those related to the TCM circuitry, are also checked for integrity. Monitoring TCM performance during vehicle operation can provide early alerts to potential issues, allowing for timely interventions. Maintaining these practices fosters a healthy vehicle environment that can extend the lifespan of the transmission system and enhance overall performance. In summary, DTC P0882 is a serious diagnostic trouble code indicating a low power input signal to the transmission control module, TCM. Recognizing the symptoms early, such as transmission shifting issues and abnormal acceleration, can dramatically assist in diagnosing the problem effectively. It is essential to follow the outlined troubleshooting steps meticulously, starting from basic checks to more complex electrical diagnostics, to ensure that no component is overlooked. Additionally, employing regular preventive maintenance practices can minimize the likelihood of encountering this DTC in the future, ensuring the vehicle operates at optimal performance levels. Ultimately, a thorough understanding of the TCM's role, coupled with diligent troubleshooting, can guide you towards successful resolution, restoring your Honda Accord to its best condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.